Check it out. I've got a quick period of instruction on your skin, the importance of your skin. Hey, people understand that the skin is your largest organ. Anybody who's ever played Trivial Pursuit might expect to get that as a question. Wait, what's the largest organ? No, it's not the liver. No, it's not the intestines. It is your skin. It's covering your body. Every square centimeter of your body is covered by your skin, otherwise known as the epidermis. All right. The skin is subject to constant barrages from our environment. Bacteria, little critters, bacteria and parasites will try to get in. All right. The skin protects them, creates a physical barrier. Abrasions, you fall down, you get back up, you got a little skinned knee, you're holy moly, that stinking skin can regenerate itself and grow right back, stronger than it had been before. The sun, the harmful rays of the sun, even though they're life-giving, help us grow crops and harvest plants and animals off of this, survive on the surface of our planet here, the sun's UV rays can also be very harmful to us. The skin is going to actually serve as a barrier, physical barrier to the rest of our body and prevent those UV rays from penetrating. Okay? Chemicals. The skin is going to serve as a barrier against chemicals. I got some cool visuals here, and over this babbling brook, we're going to talk about the anatomy of skin. So check yourself before you wreck yourself. Right in the center there, as we zoom in, we can see that the skin is comprised of multiple layers. All right, and if you could follow as I trace the bottom here, these little ridges down here, that is where your skin begins. And these darker cells at the base, that's where cells are splitting in 2 and 4 and 8 and 16. That's where cell division is happening way down there in our skin. And as the cells mature, they're going to rise to the top until it's ultimately a layer of dead skin cells, or what are called keratinocytes, on the surface of your skin. So if you were to look at me right now, and I'm completely without clothing, and I want you guys to know, you're all imagining that right now, all right, and enjoying yourselves, addressing me with your eyes, if you will. If you were to look at somebody without clothing, just look at the surface of their skin, it's important to understand that what you're looking at is entirely dead. All right, with the exception of some structures within our eyeballs, the outside covering of our epidermis is dead skin cells right here. It almost looks like a snake skin that you would find maybe out here when you're out on a hike. So that's what skin looks like as a whole. As the UV rays shine down upon me, these layers of skin are going to prevent those UV radiation to getting all the way down the bottom where cell division is happening. If they were allowed to penetrate, then we can expect an increase in our likelihood for skin cancer and other problems. All right, so it's important that we protect those cells at the base of our skin. A couple other images here. This right here, this snake skin appearance, this is what it looks like magnified many, many times. And up top here, these things that look like little pink cornflakes. All right, those are the tippy top of your skin cells, and they're like little, it's like a chainmail suit or a suit of armor. This is the physical barrier that prevents the environment from penetrating into our physical bodies. Yes, yes?
Yes, sir.
So now you know a little bit of cool things about your skin. The skin also does some important things. It has a moisturizer, which are called sebaceous glands. They will secrete this oil that is called sebum onto the surface of the skin. That keeps our skin cells moist and waterproof. Totally stinking awesome. There's also the sweat mechanism, or the sudoriferous gland. Say it.
Sudoriferous gland.
So the sudoriferous gland is this little coiled up gland that is down here within the dermis and epidermis, and it's going to empty out onto the surface of our skin. So when you start to get warm, the sudoriferous gland is going to squirt some liquid onto the surface of our skin, and as the liquid evaporates off, we cool down, we keep our core temperature where it needs to be. The skin is an incredible organ. It's your largest organ. It's friggin' awesome. 1, 2, 3, AMP. 1, 2, 3!
AMP.
Huh! Huh!